Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's recipe is famous Middle Eastern favorite vibrant Hamour fish. First clean the Hamour and score the side like this. This helps the salt and spice penetrate deep into the meat. I use two techniques to make the fish extra juicy and flavorful. First brining and second marination. For brining, you will need a large container filled with enough water to fully soak the whole fish. Ingredients for brining: whole lemon cut into pieces, whole black peppercorn, bay leaf, dry black lemon cut into half, garlic cloves, and salt. First, dissolve the salt in water, then add all the remaining ingredients and mix well by hand. Place the whole Hamour fish in the brining solution. During the time, the salt and aromatics penetrate in the fish proteins, enhance flavor, and helping keep the flesh juicy and tender. Cover and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Remove the fish from the brine and place it in a strainer to drain all excess water. For marination, 4 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon black lemon powder, 1 tablespoon Arabic spice mix, 1 tablespoon dry thyme powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, or 1 liter lemon juice and 1 liter olive oil into a bowl. First, add 500 gram of grated fresh onion and 200 gram of red pimento pepper and 200 gram of garlic into the mixture. Then add all the dry ingredients and mix well until fully combined. Break the bay leaf by hand and add them to the marinade. Mix again. Marinate the fish carefully by hand. Fish bones can injure your hands, so use surgical gloves or thick protective gloves for safety. Rub the marinade thoroughly over the side of the fish and inside the cuts. Pour the remaining marinade over the fish and refrigerate overnight for best results. For baking, you will need peeled potato cut into half. Place the whole fish into large, deep baking trays. Use no more than 2 fish per tray, so they are easier to handle and lift after baking, and to prevent them from sticking together during cooking. Arrange the potato halves and tomato wedges neatly around the fish, ensuring even distribution for uniform cooking and attractive presentation. Cover the baking tray with aluminum foil and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can see how beautifully the Hamour fish has cooked. One chef tips is here. The fish perfectly done when the flesh flakes easily and the bone release clearly from the meat. Now you have a perfectly cooked Hamour fish, tender, juicy and full of flavor throughout. The final plating, carefully transfer the whole fish onto the large serving platter. Since the fish is very large, use extra helping hand to safely arrange it on the platter of live carving and presentation. Arrange the roasted potato neatly around the side of the fish and garnish the top with roasted vegetable for vibrant presentation. You can also serve it with the traditional Arabic sayadiyya rice along with the fish. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, share the video and leave your comments in the description. Thank you for watching.